Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Quancept. Today we will be talking about MACD trading strategy. But before that, if you are new to the channel, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Quancept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that you can use for your trading. Okay. Now, in the learn section, we have a video library. Okay, so we have made multiple videos for you based on Pro Plus tools as well as on the strategies. So you can go and watch them. They are available in multiple languages. At any point of time, if you are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can go in the support section. So you can go in the support section, and in the support section, we have our contact number as well as our email ID. Okay, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Okay. Now let's get back to today's session, that is the MACD strategy. Okay, now when I'm talking about MACD, right, MACD, so it is a indicator, that gives us buy and sell signal. Okay, so it gives us buy as well as sell signal, right. अगर आप पहली बार MACD की स्ट्रैटेजी देख रहे हैं, सो वी हैव कवर्ड MACD इन अ प्रीवियस वीडियो एज वेल. ओके, तो वहां पे हमने काफी बेसिक से MACD को देखा है, राइट. टुडे वी विल बी लुकिंग इनटू सम अदर स्ट्रैटेजी दैट विल हेल्प यू आउट इन योर ट्रेडिंग, राइट. बट एज वी नो, इट इज अ इंडिकेटर एंड इट इज अ लैगिंग इंडिकेटर, राइट. सो दैट इज व्हाई we will not use MACD strategy or MACD indicator alone. So we will use a confirmation and that confirmation will be our volume. ठीक है, तो आज हम MACD को use करेंगे but with volume. Okay. Now when we are looking into the volume, okay, so there are some things that I want to tell you. Okay, so let's clear them first and then we will go ahead. Now in volume we always analyze volume and price. Right. So for example, if at any point of time, if my volume is increasing, at any point of time, if my volume is increasing, right, volume is increasing, and at the same time my price is also increasing, it means the people who are responsible for this price to go up, those are the buyers, and the volume of the buyers are increasing. It means the market will go again in the upward direction. Okay. Similarly, if my volume is decreasing, and at the same time my price is increasing, okay, it means the people who are responsible for this price to go up, those are the buyers, and the volume of the buyers is low, right. So at that time the price will come down, or you can say it will reverse whenever it will get a good resistance, right. Now the third case is when your volume is greater and at the same time the price is moving down. It means for the price to go low or price to come down, the responsible are sellers and the volume of sellers is you can say more or large, right. So at that time the price will come down. Okay. Now the fourth case, when your volume is low and at the same time the price is coming down. So for the price to come down, the responsible are sellers and the volume of sellers is low in the market. So at that time your market will go above, or you can say the market will go in the bullish direction whenever it will be on the very strong support. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा कि ये सारी चीजें आपको याद रखनी है. Okay, so these are the conditions of volume that we will apply with the प्राइस एज वेल. ठीक है, तो हम प्राइस को भी देखेंगे, एट द सेम टाइम हम वॉल्यूम को भी देखेंगे. ठीक है, सो अगर मेरा प्राइस और वॉल्यूम के बीच में इफ देयर इज अ डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन, सो इट मींस क्या हो रहा है, देयर इज अ यू कैन से कन्वर्जेंस हो रहा है, राइट. सो देयर इज अ कन्वर्जेंस, राइट. नाउ व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ इनडायरेक्ट रिलेशन या फिर इनवर्स रिलेशन है वॉल्यूम और प्राइस का, सो एट दैट टाइम देयर इज अ डाइवर्जेंस. यू कैन से यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, डाइवर्जेंस हो रहा है. Okay, so we are not looking convergence and divergence in MACD only, but we are looking the convergence and divergence in volume as well. ठीक है, so along with MACD, that is moving average, convergence and divergence, we are looking into those terms in volume as well. ठीक है, I hope the concept is clear. Let's plot all these things into the chart and then we will see how we can use this strategy that will give you a very good strike rate, right. So for that I'm opening Quancept application here, and in the Quancept application I will go in the track section, in the analyze section, and then in charts, order and trade. Now today we will take an example of some stock, क्योंकि हम हमेशा indices को लेते हैं. So let's take example of some stocks here today, and I can take example of any stock. So let's go with the okay, so we can choose Cipla, right? Let's go with the Cipla or Chola Fins. Let's go with Chola Fins, right? So I have opened Chola Fins and I am analyzing it in the time frame of 5 minutes, right? I am analyzing it in the time frame of 5 minutes. So you can choose the 5 minute or 15 minutes time frame for this strategy, right? Now, first of all, I have to apply an indicator, and that indicator is our MACD. Okay, so this is my MACD, that is moving average convergence and divergence, right? So MACD, right? After MACD, what I'll do, I will apply another indicator here, and that indicator is my volume indicator. Okay, so this is my volume indicator. Now there is some setting that I have to do in volume, right? So this is my volume. So I will go in the volume, then settings, and I will enable the volume moving average. Now this volume moving average is of 20 period. It means my graph is taking the volume of 20 candles and it is giving me an average out of them, right? So at any point of time, if my volume is greater than this average line, or you can say moving average of 20, it means the volume is good, and at that time I have to analyze price as well. Okay, how we will use the combination? So first of all, what we will do, I will make two lines in the MACD, right? The first line will be, you can see the first line is here, that is, you can say 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so in MACD, I have already told you there are certain things. For example, I have a blue line. This blue line is called MACD line. Okay, then I have a green line here. That green line is known as the signal line. Okay, and then I have a line of 0 here, that is your called 0. Okay, or you can also say neutral, because it is placed at 0, right? And then when we are going down, so I can see -8, -4. When I'm going up, I can see 4, 8, 12. So it is giving me a, you can say, standard deviation, like from where my market can reverse itself. So it is giving me a signal. So whenever हम क्या बोलते हैं कि जब भी ये दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करती है, ठीक है, एट दैट टाइम वी जनरली सी अ बुलिश मूवमेंट, और जब भी ये लाइन एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करती है ऊपर की साइड इस लाइन से, एट दैट टाइम आई कैन सी अ बेरिश मूवमेंट इन द मार्केट. ठीक है, बट हम इसको वैसे नहीं यूज करेंगे. हाउ वी विल अप्लाई इट? सो वी विल ओनली लुक इनटू टू लेवल्स हियर. ओके, व्हाट आर दोस टू लेवल्स? सो माय लेवल्स आर 4 and in the downward side my level is -4. Okay, whenever I will get a, you can say, convergence, or you can say a intersection of MACD and signal line below -4, at that time I will go for the bullish. Okay, so you can see this convergence, or this intersection is below -4, so this can be my signal for the bullish market, right? Similarly, this is the intersection of MACD and signal line, and it is above 4, so it means this can be my signal for the bearish market, right? I am saying can be because then I have to analyze volume as well, right? तो हमें उसके साथ वॉल्यूम भी देखना है. That is why I am saying can be. ठीक है, अभी श्योर नहीं है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई गॉट अ सिग्नल. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि आई गॉट अ सिग्नल, और यू कैन से अ इंटरसेक्शन हियर. सो इंटरसेक्शन, इट मीन्स माई MACD लाइन इज intersecting or crossing below my signal line. ठीक है, so I got one confirmation here. So one confirmation from the MACD line. Then I will look into the price. So at the time I can see the volume is not very good because it is not above my moving average, right? And I can see when my volume is not good, at that time there was a sideways market, or you can say there was a uptrend. This was the uptrend, right? You can see it here. There was a uptrend. Okay, uptrend was going on, and then there is a low volume. It means the uptrend which was going on, it is losing its momentum, right? So at this point, say you can say it is losing its momentum, and when I got a intersection here, it is giving me a signal of a bearish market. So with a confirmation I can make a trade कि यहाँ से मैं नीचे के लिए ट्रेड ले सकता हूँ. I can take trade in bearish direction. कैसे ट्रेड लूंगा? What will be the confirmation? So for the confirmation, what I'll do, I will make some lines, or you can say some support lines here. So I can see here, just a second, you can see my market was taking support at this level, right? You can see my market was taking support at this level. Okay, I got a I got an intersection of MACD and signal line at this point. You can see the above momentum, the above bullish momentum, it lost its momentum. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे वॉल्यूम बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुका है. It means जो मार्केट, the market which was going in the bullish direction, it lost its momentum, वॉल्यूम काफी कम है. And then I got a breakdown of support. जो ये support थी, I got a breakdown with a very good candle. ये जो candle है, that is a Marubozu candle, right? So what I can do, I can mark the low of this candle as my entry point because I got a signal from MACD, I got a signal from volume, and then I got a signal from the support breakdown, right? So at that point I can make my entry, and then you can see I got a good movement in the various direction, right? Let's see another example. Let's choose another stocks here, and then we will analyze कि कोई दूसरा stock हम यहाँ पे select कर लेते हैं, okay? So that we will get some variation. So अब हम choose करते हैं, let's go with ONGC. Let's go with ONGC, ठीक है? तो अब हम ONGC को देख रहे हैं. Okay, now in ONGC, first of all, let me see कि कहाँ पे मेरे को my intersection is below 4. So here I can see this is the 4. यहाँ पे मेरे को 4 मिल रहा है, and I'm analyzing it in the time frame of 5 minutes. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मेरे को 4 तो नहीं, बट मैं यहाँ पे क्या देखूंगा, -2 का देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, तो -2 में तो मेरे को यहाँ पे मिल नहीं रहा है. इट मीन्स आई हैव टू चेंज माई स्टॉक हेयर. ठीक है, इसमें मेरे को ज़्यादा मोमेंटम नहीं दिखेगा. सो लेट्स सी अनदर स्टॉक हेयर. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल, एंड नाउ लेट्स टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ चोला फिन्स का हमने लिया था. लेट्स टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिप्ला नाउ. ठीक है, सो सिप्ला. ओके, सो आई हैव अप्लाइड सिप्ला हेयर. Okay, now in Cipla again I am analyzing the time frame of 5 minutes. ठीक है, and what I want a convergence या फिर intersection of these two lines. Okay, and it should be below -4 if I am going for the bullish direction. So -4 से नीचे मेरे को कहाँ पे दिख रहा है? I can see यहाँ पे एक बार मेरे को दिख रहा है. ठीक है, now I got a intersection of MACD and signal line at this point. Just a second, कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे. ओके, इट इज 11 अक्टूबर 2024 10:15 पे मेरे को मिल रहा है. आई कैन सी देयर वाज अ बुलिश मूवमेंट. ठीक है, एक बुलिश मूवमेंट था, बट एट दिस बुलिश मूवमेंट मेरे को यहाँ पे एक सिग्नल मिल रहा है कि आई कैन गो फॉर द बुलिश डायरेक्शन, राइट? बट व्हेन आई एम गोइंग फॉर द बुलिश डायरेक्शन आई कैन सी मार्केट इज स्टिल गोइंग इन द बुलिश डायरेक्शन, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई एम नॉट गेटिंग गुड वॉल्यूम हियर. माई वॉल्यूम इज बिलो मूविंग एवरेज. सो एट दैट टाइम आई शुड नॉट एंटर इन माई ट्रेड बिकॉज द कंडीशंस आर नॉट फुलफिल्ड. ठीक है, तो अगर कंडीशंस फुलफिल नहीं हो रही है तो जबरदस्ती वी विल नॉट एंटर इनटू द ट्रेड. ठीक है, और कहीं पे एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं और कहां पे मिला है. राइट, सी यहां पे हमें एक देखने को मिला, ये तो हमने ले लिया था. यहां पे हमें एक देखने को मिला कि माय मार्केट वाज गिविंग मी अ बेरिश सिग्नल. जस्ट अ सेकंड, द टाइम इज 11 अक्टूबर 2:40 पे. ठीक है, 11 अक्टूबर 2:40. दिस इज द कैंडल, दिस इज द कैंडल, this one is the candle, right? So I am getting a signal here. Now you can see at that time, just see carefully, you can see my market was going in the upward direction, and again you can see in this point of time there was a volume. It means आप यहाँ पे देखोगे जो ये तीनों कैंडल बनी बड़ी, ठीक है, यहाँ पे you can see the volume is not very good. It means you can see the candles are very strong. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा चार्ट को जूम करूँ, let me zoom the chart a little bit for you. ठीक है, और इसको भी थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देता हूँ, एंड आई होप द वॉल्यूम इज ऑल्सो क्लियर. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम बड़ा हो जाता है यहाँ पे तो आप लोग को दिख जाता. ठीक है, आई होप नाउ इट इज क्लियर. ओके, यू कैन सी जहाँ पे ये तीनों के बाद, ठीक है, मेरे को एक यहाँ पे चारों पे तो अच्छा वॉल्यूम दिख रहा है. ओके, सो आई एम गेटिंग अ गुड वॉल्यूम, बट यू कैन सी एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम I lost the momentum और यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया, राइट? सो इट मीन्स, एंड देन माई मार्केट गिव मी अ सिग्नल हियर, यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन आया. इट मीन्स नाउ दिस इज द पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि एक बेरिश डायरेक्शन आ सकता है. ठीक है, अब मेरे को क्या चाहिए? मेरे को दिख रहा है कि वॉल्यूम जब मार्केट नीचे की साइड जा रहा था, यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम भी इंक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हो गया इनका. ठीक है, गुड वॉल्यूम, आई एम गेटिंग गुड वॉल्यूम हियर. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल मार्क द सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस. मेरे को देखूंगा सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस कहाँ पे है. सो आई कैन सी, अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस मार्क करने जाऊँ, okay, so I can make a support and resistance at this point of time. You can say यहाँ पे I can mark this as my support and resistance, right? This, because my market was taking resistance here, and then it was taking support here, and then I got a good candle जिस पे मेरा breakout हुआ, okay, और breakout के बाद what I can do, I can wait, ठीक है, कि मैं यहाँ पे वेट कर सकता हूँ कि ये मेरा लो ब्रेकआउट हो, and then I got a good movement in the bearish direction में मेरे को अच्छा मूवमेंट हुआ, ठीक है, अच्छा मूवमेंट मेरे को यहाँ पे बेरिश डायरेक्शन में मिला है। सिर्फ एक एक कैंडल जो बनी थी दैट वाज ये गैप अप तो नहीं बोलूंगा इसको, ठीक है, थोड़ी ऊपर ओपन होके अचानक से इंपल्सिव मूवमेंट में और फिर नीचे आई है, बट देन आई गॉट अ गुड मूवमेंट, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे अगर थोड़ा सा, इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे अगर जैसे मैं यहाँ पे एंट्री ले रहा हूँ, इफ आई एम टेकिंग एंट्री हियर, ओके, एंड आई एम टेकिंग, और आई कैन सी जो मेरा इसका स्टॉप लॉस है दैट इज अ वेरी लो स्टॉप लॉस, राइट। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल मेक swing low at that time as my stop loss, swing low बनाऊंगा, या फिर if I'm taking this resistance as my stop loss, okay, so I will take a little leverage here. leverage कैसे लूंगा, अगर ये stop loss मेरी 240 का है, so I will make 242 as my SL, ठीक है। why, because you can see sometimes there can be a candle, ठीक है, जो आएगी ही आपका SL खाने के लिए, right, so you have to be careful about that, right, okay। so I hope guys the concept is clear. You have to look for the intersection of the MACD and signal line, then you have to see the price, ki how the price is behaving as comparison to your how the volume is behaving as comparison to the price. I have already showed you the combination, ठीक है, कि combination क्या रहने वाला है आपका price and volume का, okay, so you should be very careful about your volume and price, और जब आपको ये मिल जाए then you have to look for your support and resistance level, ठीक है, and when there will be a breakout or when there will be a breakdown of your support, at that time you can make your entry in your particular trade, ठीक है। आपका टारगेट क्या रहने वाला है, that is the thing we have missed out. So what will be your target? So if you are going for the bearish direction, so you can just make your support. For example, you were making your entry here, okay, so you can see, for example, this was my support, right, my market was taking support here, so you can make it as your target, okay, and you can see you can easily achieve 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward ratio here, right। so I hope the concept is clear, आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर आपको पसंद आए, you can like the video, you can share your views in the comment section as well, you can share this video with your friends, with your relatives जो भी ट्रेडिंग करना चाहते हैं या कर रहे हैं, okay। thank you so much guys, this is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat, have a good day।